Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to unsend email if you sent it by mistakenly. So let's start. First of all, click on this settings icon. Now select See All Settings option. Here we have option which is Undo Send. We have to select time period from list. Make sure you select maximum time period. So we are selecting it to 30 seconds. Now scroll down and click Save Changes button to update your settings. Let's test this feature by sending a test email to my own email. So this is my email address and you can see the inbox is empty. Adding email subject like by mistake mail sent. And adding body text also. Click Send button option. You can see I have received email into my inbox. To unsend this email, click Undo button. This undo button is available only for 30 seconds. So the email has been removed from receiver's inbox. Let's again send the email to test. Click Undo button, it will unsend the email and remove it from user's inbox. So guys, you can also unsend emails like this if mistakenly you have sent it. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.